a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Come along, Carrie. No time for idling. It's important we finish this job and clear out of the forest today.
Okay, Bozer.
Oh, we didn't even get a chance to enjoy the forest.
What do you mean, Diggs? We've been here all week.
Ah, but to really enjoy it, you have to go off the road, deep into the trees. Oh, where everything is amazing.
Really?
Oh, that's where the call of the forest is, Scoochy. And when the forest calls, you have to obey.
There's a call of the forest.
Oh, no, of course not. As if there'd be a call of the forest. Actually, Scooch, there is. Carrie's just never heard it.
I wish I could hear it.
Oh, do you now?
Who said that?
This is the forest calling you.
The call of the forest. I'm coming, forest. Scooch is coming.
No, wait, Scooch! No, it's only me! It's Diggs!
Here I come. I will obey.
Why is Scooch racing off into the forest? You did that call of the forest thing, didn't you?
Oh, Carrie, as if I would. I've never... All right, yes, I did.
How are we going to get all this work done without Scooch? I'm going after him.
But Bozer said we had to finish the job.
You should have thought about that before you did your call of the forest. Diggs, don't you think it's about time you stop playing silly tricks like this?
Oh, but I don't play silly tricks like this. Well, not all the time. Do I?
You've got a friend in trouble you never ever thought. You tried to be too clever, that's a lesson you've been taught. 'Cause everybody's different, everyone's the same. Life is not a joke to them, life is not a game.
Oh, pull something!
You've got a friend in trouble you didn't mean to hurt. You won't make that mistake again, that's one thing that's assert. 'Cause everyone is different, they don't react the same. Life may be a joke to you, to them it's not a game.
Oh, what's that?
You've got a friend in trouble, but you can mend your ways. Another time you'll stop to think, as thinking always pays. 'Cause everyone is different, no one feels the same. Life is not a joke to them, life is not a game.
Right, that's it. No more Mr. Tricky Tires for me. How can I prove to Carrie that I've changed?
Diggs, there seems to be a wee bit of a storm brewing. Now, I know you three need to get your clearing done quickly, but be careful.
Wait a minute. I know exactly what I can do to prove I've turned over a new spark plug. Ha ha! Baroom!
Scooch! Scooch! Great. Scooch is lost. And now there's a thunderstorm.
Call of the forest. I'm here. Oh dear. It's getting quite stormy.
I hope Scooch and Carrie are all right.
Scooch! Scooch!
Go away! I'm not listening!
Scooch!
Hold on. That's not the call of the forest. That's the call of Carrie! Carrie!
Scooch!
Carrie!
Scooch!
Carrie!
Scooch!
Carrie!
Scooch!
Carrie!
Scooch!
Carrie!
It's so good to see you.
Ah, did you hear the call of the forest?
Scooch, that wasn't the call of the forest. That was Diggs.
Diggs! Oh, really?
We need to get back, but we better wait until the storm blows over.
Oh, I think it already has.
Wow. It's beautiful.
The call of the forest.
Never mind the forest, Scooch. I can hear our jobs calling.
Oh.
And if Bozer wants to know why they haven't been done, I'm going to tell him. That's if he hasn't found out already.
Diggs? You three have done an excellent job in very difficult conditions. Where are Scooch and Carrie?
Oh, well...
Right. Bozer, I just want to say that...
The job's being done.
I can see that, Scooch. And as you finish so quickly, you can have some free time before we leave the forest. I'm behind.
I know. Don't say it. I'm really sorry. And I worked really hard to make up for what I did.
Well, it was a really silly trick you played, Diggs. But thanks for doing all our work.
Yes. Thanks, Diggs.
And from now on, I'm an all-new trick-free Diggs.
Oh, I quite liked some of those tricks. Oh, especially the one when you pretended to be Carrie.
Oh, and the one when you pretended to be Bozer.
And actually, I liked the call of the forest.
Oh, did you now? Carrie, Scooch, it's the call of the forest. Come and play.
Weird and obey.
Hear me and obey.
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.